How's it going? Today we're going to go over SketchUp versus SketchUp Pro and which one will be the better option for you. As you can see, we're on the official website, and the first thing you notice is the pricing of the basic one and annual. If we switch over to monthly, as you can see, monthly you have $18 and monthly it's $50, but annual it's $119 and annual this is $350. So what are the basic differences? In the Go option, you get iPad and web-based 3D modelers. You get access to 4 million plus pre-built 3D models, photoreal materials, all these things, components. You get collaboration platform plus unlimited cloud storage, which is really good. You get extended, which is XR reality, extended reality for any MetaQuest devices. You also get augmented reality mobile viewers for iOS and Android. Now, in the Pro, you get everything that you already get in the Go, but in the Pro, you get even the desktop 3D modeler, but which you don't get in the Go option. You also get 2D design documentation. You get quick insights for design research, and you also get access to plugins for extending the desktop functionality. So if you need these extra features, let's say you are doing work mostly on iPad, in that case, I don't see why you would need a desktop 3D modeler. But let's say you do use desktop and you do need 2D design documentation. In that case, obviously Pro is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.